Hey, I'm Campbell Brown, CEO and co-founder of PredictHQ. What I'm going to do right now is take you through a really quick 5-minute demo of how you can get started within our control center. So let's jump straight into it. So this is our search feature where you can search and discover events anywhere in the world. For this particular one, I'm searching on 7 categories of events, but you can go all 18 if you like. I've got specific locations that interest me: London, New York, Auckland, and Lisbon in Portugal. I can refine those categories selected by going down to labels, meaning you could go from basketball down to NBA. We have the rank, so the predicted impact of these at a global, local, or by an aviation rank. You also can search on a keyword. We have the date. You can do it within, so around a radius around a specific lat long. You've got a list view, you've got a map view, and you've also got a calendar view as well. And if you want to share these events, you can actually go over here and just quickly hit export, and it'll export that search for you in a CSV format. So let's jump into Chelsea Flower Show. So on this one here, you can see the title, the description, we've got the duration here, how many people we're predicting are going to attend it, so 157,000, and we've got the ranks associated. On this one in particular, you can see all the instances. So this is a recurring event over time, and you can see that change over time as well. If we dive now into a sporting event, this is the Carolina Hurricanes versus the New York Rangers, so an NHL game. Again, we're predicting 17,110 people are going to be attending this event. You can see the predicted end time, and what is that? Effectively, 85% of the attended events that we consume don't actually come with an end time. So we use our historical data to predict when this event's going to end. Why is that important? For businesses like Uber or Lyft who want to get drivers in the right place at the right time ahead of time, e.g. at the end of a game, this is really important. You can also go in here and search this venue. This is actually happening at Madison Square Garden. I want to actually go out 90 days. Hit search and you can see specifically what's happening at this particular venue. Another really cool thing here is this game is being televised. So we predict the viewership and where that viewership is going to happen. Why is that important? Well, for businesses that are as a pizza delivery company, there might be people at home ordering pizza to watch this particular game. So they can actually better understand what areas are going to see a surge in demand by people viewing this game and what stores correlate to that as well. Then if you want to actually go to more of a top level view, you can go into daily event impact. So we're searching on location. It can be a city, it can actually be a lat long, whatever you like. But I'm searching on all of Berlin. And what I can see here on July the 9th, there's 1.6 million people that are going to be active in that particular city. So we can quickly dive in and investigate. And what we can see on this day is there's the Rave the Planet parade that's happening. 1.6 million people that we're predicting are going to attend. But if you actually want to go, well, hey, I want to refine it right down to what's important to me. So let's say I'm a manager for Starbucks and I want to understand what's happening within a particular, let's say, mile radius of my store. So what you can go into here is location insights. You can go and add a location. So let's go Starbucks. We'll say coffee, and let's put in this location here. Found that location. As I said, we want to go a 1 mile radius, and we hit save location. So that's going to take us back to the list, my list of locations that are happening in here, and you can see that in the next 90 days, there's 1.7 million people that are going to be happening in that area. You can quickly, if I've added 100 locations, you can quickly go and sort by predicted attendance, and you can actually go and see which ones are the highest. So let's go and click on Starbucks. This is the location insights page. So you can quickly go in and see that there's going to be 215 attended events, 94 non-attended, and 0 unscheduled in the next 90 days. So if we just go and investigate one of these events, so here's the San Francisco Marathon, we can quickly click in and we can see that it's near our store. But more importantly here as well, we can also see the polygon of that particular event. So you can not just understand the point information, but the polygon of parades and festivals, etc. And again, this is a recurring event over here, so you see those instances. If we just go back here as well, and we go back to our location insights page, what we can quickly do as well for Starbucks is like, hey, I'm really interested in proactively understanding what's impacting this store. So you can go in here and quickly go create a notification. So let's go Starbucks demand surge and select demand surge there. It's pre-populated the lat long, how many miles it wants to be. You can then go and select the categories you want, but we'll track everything. And then I'm going to say, I want to know when there's 15,000 people within a mile radius of my particular store. and then you can go in here and save your configuration, and you'll be sent these notifications. And so this is my configurations in here. Another really cool thing, if we just go back into Location Insights, and you click on here, is if people haven't signed up for our particular platform, no problems. What you can actually do is you just click on Share, and that's going to go create a unique link for this particular page, and you just hit copy, and you can then take that and paste that in, and anyone viewing that page, whether logged in or not, are going to go and see the publicly viewable thing of this page. So that's a really quick demo of PredictHQ, and hopefully you get value of it really fast. Thank you. Bye.